The second thing is, as far as AI in film, I think we're going to see streamers using the years and years of viewing history that they have on you
Yeah.
and create customized pieces for you. They won't bother to copyright those because it'll be like Kleenex. And then for an upcharge, they can face replace you on films that they can license for this purpose from studios and other places that have libraries. You could say, put my face on Luke Skywalker's body today.
Artificial intelligence has rapidly transformed various industries, and Hollywood is no exception. This technological revolution is reshaping how films are produced, edited, and marketed. While AI presents significant opportunities for efficiency and innovation, it also raises concerns about its impact on employment and creativity within the film industry. In this essay, we will explore the multifaceted effects of AI on Hollywood jobs, examining both the potential benefits and the challenges it presents. Artificial intelligence's role in script writing and development. The process of screenwriting is one area where AI is beginning to make its mark. AI tools can analyze vast data sets of successful scripts to suggest plot developments, character arcs, and dialogue that have historically resonated with audiences. For instance, some AI programs can identify patterns that indicate a script's potential success in the market. These insights can help writers refine their work, enhancing the script's appeal to both producers and audiences. However, there is an ongoing debate about whether AI can truly replace human creativity. While AI excels at identifying patterns and predicting trends, it lacks the nuanced understanding of human emotions and experiences that writers draw upon to create compelling narratives. The essence of storytelling lies in its ability to connect with audiences on an emotional level, and this is something that AI, irrespective of its computational power, struggles to achieve. Visual effects and animation. In the realm of visual effects and animation, AI is a game changer. Hollywood films are renowned for their stunning visual effects, from lifelike CGI characters to immersive environments. AI technologies are enhancing these capabilities by automating complex processes that traditionally required extensive manual labor. Machine learning algorithms can now generate realistic character movements and facial expressions more quickly than traditional methods. This not only speeds up the production process, but also reduces costs, making high-quality visual effects accessible to smaller studios and independent filmmakers. Despite these advantages, the increasing role of AI in VFX raises questions about job displacement. Tasks that once required large teams of artists and technicians are now being performed by AI systems. While this shift may reduce the number of entry-level positions, it also creates opportunities for new roles that involve overseeing and refining AI-generated content. Casting and market analysis. AI's predictive capabilities extend to the casting process as well. By analyzing data from previous films, social media, and audience demographics, AI algorithms can suggest actors who are likely to appeal to specific target audiences. This data-driven approach helps studios make informed casting decisions, potentially leading to higher box office success. In marketing and distribution, AI plays a crucial role by analyzing audience preferences and behavior. For example, AI can customize movie trailers for different demographics, optimizing them for maximum impact. Additionally, AI-driven analytics can guide marketing strategies, ensuring that promotional efforts reach the right audiences at the right time. The positive side of AI in Hollywood. While concerns about job displacement are valid, it's important to acknowledge the positives that AI brings to Hollywood. The democratization of technology means that independent filmmakers and smaller studios can now access tools that were once reserved for major studios with substantial budgets. This leveling of the playing field can lead to more diverse and innovative storytelling, as a broader range of voices gain the resources needed to bring their visions to life. Moreover, AI has the potential to improve representation in Hollywood. By analyzing casting choices and audience feedback, AI can help identify gaps in diversity and inclusion, encouraging studios to make more equitable casting and storytelling decisions. Concerns and criticisms. Despite the benefits, AI in Hollywood is not without its critics. One major concern is the potential loss of jobs, particularly for those in roles that AI can automate. As AI continues to evolve, there is a fear that roles such as script analysts, VFX artists, and production assistants may become obsolete, leading to job losses and a shift in the industry's employment landscape. Another significant concern is the impact of AI on creativity. While AI can assist in generating content, it lacks the ability to understand cultural nuances and the human experience fully. There is a risk that over-reliance on AI could lead to homogenized content, where films become formulaic and lack the unique touch that human creativity brings. Furthermore, ethical considerations arise when AI is used in decision-making processes, such as casting. Biases present in training data can lead to biased outcomes, perpetuating stereotypes and limiting opportunities for underrepresented groups. The future of AI in Hollywood. Looking ahead, the future of AI in Hollywood hinges on finding a balance between technological innovation and the preservation of human creativity. Rather than replacing human talent, AI should augment it, allowing filmmakers to push the boundaries of storytelling while maintaining the emotional depth and authenticity that audiences crave. Hollywood professionals need to adapt to these technological advancements and acquire new skills to collaborate effectively with AI systems. Roles such as AI trainers, data analysts, and AI ethics consultants are likely to become integral to the industry. In conclusion, AI is undeniably transforming Hollywood, offering both opportunities and challenges. Its impact on jobs within the industry is complex, potentially displacing some roles while creating new ones that require a different set of skills, particularly in areas like data analysis, system maintenance, and human-machine collaboration.